Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the general management. Now let's tap on language, and as you can see, this is the list of all kind of applied languages. We've got English and German. So basically here we've got kind of a highlight of languages which we are commonly using. So let's simply tap on Add Language to open full list of available languages from which we can pick. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. If you cannot find your language right here, no worries, because as you can see, they are suggested by Samsung. Simply tap on the 3 icon and tap on all languages, and for sure you will be able to find your language because this list will be extended. So all you have to do is to find your language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one, and your device will ask you if you really want to do it. If you want to set new language. So you can decide whether you want to keep current or set the new one as a default. Simply tap on this option, and in a second, the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got a lot of languages added here in this kind of highlight section, you don't have to enter the full list to change the language again. You can simply tap, for example, on English and apply it, confirm it. And as you can see, we've got English applied. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Simply tap on Edit and mark the languages you'd like to remove. And then tap on the trash bin icon, tap on Remove, and as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.